What's up, YouTube? Drew here, and you are in my shop with this 2005 Toyota Prius. It's a second gen. It's a freaking cop car. I'm not kidding. There it is, cop number. You can't really see there, D52. There's the big star on the door, and that's where it says. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there it is, right there in the bottom of your screen, right side of your screen there, Police. It is a Prius cop car from California. And yes, it had some quirks, but I love these cars, so I bought it and I saved it. One of the quirks it has, which isn't because it's a cop car, is it has that kind of death rattle at cold start. And as I've said a million times in my videos on this channel, be sure to check the description. Maybe not right away, might take me a couple days, but check the description. I'm gonna post a ton in the description of dealing with that morning death rattle on various generations. On the second gens, a lot of times it has to do with dirty fuel injectors. And I just wanted to show you guys how I deal with them. It's really easy to get them out. This assumes, basic mechanical knowledge, but there's just a couple 10s here to take the air box off. There is a 10 on a hose clamp that holds it to the throttle body. There's a 10 right here to get this off. And then there's two 12s that hold the fuel rail on. And then here's where I start to look like a mad scientist. Pardon me if I've already posted this. I've meant to over the years, and I don't think I ever have. But basically, what I've got here is post a link in the description as well for where I bought that on Amazon. It's just a little thing that pulses your injectors. It has these little connectors that go on it, and I'll turn it on for you here. So here you can hear that clicking. That basically just pulses the injector open and closed while it's in this from Harbor Freight. It's about a $70 tool. It heats the water up to 80 Celsius, and I could set a timer for how it ultrasonically cleans. It's an absolutely brutal sound there. I'm sure you heard it. But the idea is that while it's in there opening and closing, virtually boiling degreaser is getting inside that injector and cleaning it. And then when it comes out, I take either carb cleaner or isopropyl alcohol, hold the injector, fill the top of it where gasoline would normally come in, and just let it drain through on the bottom. That's another dirty injector. To give you an idea, that's a clean one, and yes, there's an absolutely paramount difference. I usually do that for 15 or 20 minutes. It's got a timer if you want to see how long or walk away from it that is. I usually do that for about 15, 20 minutes per injector. Throw them back in, let the car sit overnight. I usually just get just that perfect Prius startup that everybody watching this video wants. Of course, you're probably subscribed to this channel because at one point that's not what you had. But I'm here to help you as much as I can. I am Drew. I hope this helps. If it does, be sure to give a thumbs up in the on the video more rather. And if you just found it to be entertaining, that thumbs up is appreciated, as well as a subscription to the channel. You'll see a lot on these super cool cars, especially as they age and start to give us trouble. I'm a believer that there's really nothing in them other than rust, which is a regional thing that would make you have to get rid of one. They're really, really over-engineered, well-made cars, even when they're used as police cars in states that just blow my mind again and again with their ridiculous obsession with the environment. If you want to, have a police car, it should have a little bit more 0 to 60 than this. But anyways, I love the cars. Hope you do too. I just don't think they make good police cars. Take care. God bless. See you later. Bye.